If you want to turn on power saving mode on your iPhone to help preserve your battery life, it's super easy to do so. We can just hop into the settings to enable it. I'll show you how it works. Let's first just open up the settings app on your iPhone. Tap on battery under personal hotspot. And if you have lower than 20%, it usually will suggest this, but you can manually turn on the low saving mode or power saving mode by tapping on power mode. And there is low power mode. It says iPhone will temporarily reduce background activities, processing speed, etc. Now you know when it has been enabled because at the top right here, you can see your battery icon will switch to being yellow instead of green. I would also highly recommend turning on adaptive power. This will help your iPhone intelligently know when to turn that feature on and limit certain features so your battery lasts throughout the day. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.